right now the trend going on, Isha, is mainly minimalistic. Okay. People want things to be sleek, sturdy, and more spacious and accommodating thing, because the real estate prices, real estate available, and the look around the globe has become so sleek and minimalistic that people do not want those bulky things and bulky looks. So a straight line look and minimalistic, having a sleekness is the right trend right now. May it be a house, office, or a school.
Okay.
Moreover, reason to this is actually availability of the house help. In other words, also, there is a little bit of scarcity also. I mean, by far considering the current scenario of the pandemic, still there is an issue. So people would like to have minimum stuff. You would like to have clean lines, maintenance-free finish, which will last longer than a normal routine. And they want to get it quickly done. So that is what is mostly comprising of the current trend, and people tend to select fittings, fixtures, and material, keeping this in mind. And as a designer, we also suggest that, considering the scenario of a joint family or a smaller family, bigger family, or made in office specific to what kind of work they are doing and what kind of people inflow is there, we suggest all this.
Mostly people are going for a recyclable material now. People are not choosing something that is hazardous to the nature. So as you said rightly, the plastic is being avoided as much as possible. And even the material used is recycled, because one is the LEED certification, green certification, and secondly, it is good for the environment. So most of the corporates nowadays are going for the green certificates, because that gives credit to their company and it is good for the environment. So the material used mainly are recyclable and reproducible types. The request vary because the customer segment do vary. It is, but mostly people come up with the maximum use of space, okay, and minimal look of the furniture. Nothing should look heavy, because the homes are becoming quite smaller, especially in Mumbai. Okay. Secondly, it has to be maintenance free, because having costly stuff and having made again with the maintenance is becoming difficult for them. So mainly people come up with the requirement of having a sleek look and with maximum occupancy of the space. Yeah, there will be huge change, because everyone will have designed their own corner now. Nobody had thought that we'll have to spend 90, 120 days sitting at home. Okay. So they must have realized by now that if I do this, I can be more comfortable. If I do this, I can be more comfortable. House has to be more cheerful than it is, because the atmosphere outside is so depressing that if you have to stay home, it has to be a cheerful home. So accordingly, choice of color will also vary, and the choice of material and space also will vary.
Space specifically, a lot of technicalities will come in. Like, a lot of our clients who had not opted for a dishwasher, for example, in the kitchen, they will opt for a dishwasher definitely. For like, that will be the first requirement which will be coming in. Other than that, specifically to hygiene, the product which will be like a PU paint or a laminate finish or a metal finish, shutters and all will come into picture, because they'll be, you can keep it really clean, by just wiping it, putting some Colleen and cleaning it, sterilizing it is better. So all that kind of requirement also would come in. There will be a lot of use of, unlike the regular mopping and all will not come. People will choose vacuum cleaner, both the wet and the dry type. So space to keep that, all that will come into picture. Suddenly there will be a lot of small design changes which we used to overlook, or rather, because there is a house made, we were not kind of considering those also will be under consideration. So in this kind of situation, that can be taken care of.